If your hair is always breaking or thinning out, then don't skip this video, because in today's video I am going to share with you guys a great tip that will help to stop hair loss. It will strengthen your hair strands, soften your hair and stimulate hair growth. And the best part is that this recipe requires only 2 ingredients that you can find around you. So without further ado, let's get started. So now let's prepare this amazing recipe. Okay, so I plugged these guava leaves right in my compound, and the next thing I'm going to do now is to remove the leaves from the stem. Okay, so guava leaf is so powerful because it is rich in vitamin B and antioxidants, and this helps to strengthen the roots of your hair and reduce breakage plus shedding. It also contains flavonoid, which helps to improve circulation to the scalp. So after removing the leaves from the stem, this is the quantity that I have. Now I'm going to transfer this quantity into a bowl, and I will pour water so that I can wash it. The reason why I love to wash my leaves is because sometimes some insects can just stick on the body of the leaf, but you wouldn't know that. So washing it will remove not only impurities, but if there is any insect that attach itself to the leaf, especially green insects, you'll be able to remove them in the process of washing. Now after washing, I'm going to transfer it to the pot. Okay. Another reason why guava leaves is such a great herb is the fact that it can actually help to thicken your hair. So if you are one who is suffering from thinning hair, using guava leaf juice or even the tea over time, it will help to, improve the thickness of your hair. Okay, so now that I have finished washing and transferred it into my pot, I'm going to pour a good amount of water, and then we'll put it on the stove. We are only going to be boiling this for just a few minutes. Okay, and while it's boiling, let's prepare our onion. So I'm going to be using quarter, I don't know if that makes sense. This onion is medium size, so I divided it into 4, and I'm going to use 1 part. So that is quarter size of onions, right? Okay, so now because I'm going to be using both the peel and the body of the onion peel is actually super rich in sulfur, as well as the onion flesh itself, and that is why I am using both the onion peel and the onion flesh. So because I added both the onion peel, I'm also going to be washing it, and I washed it thoroughly too. So after washing it, I'm going to remove just the 2 edges, and then I will start cutting the onion. Remember that I said I'm going to be using both the peel and the onion flesh because they are both amazing for our hair. Now if you're wondering what are the benefits of onion for hair, like there are a whole lot. Did you know that onions are rich in sulfur? And yeah, what is sulfur? Sulfur is actually the raw material of keratin, and keratin is the protein that forms the foundation of our hair roots. Okay, and so sulfur is actually required to boost the formation of keratin. Now I've finished chopping my onions. Let's check on the guava leaves and see. So this guava, we are boiling it for just a few minutes, like I said earlier, and that is because we are boiling it only to release the flavonoid. I've mentioned that the flavonoid actually helps to improve blood circulation to the scalp. So boiling it for just a few minutes is enough, so that way we are not messing up with the vitamin C and other nutrients that guava leaves contains. So now after boiling for a few minutes, I actually left it to cool down for just a few minutes, and now I'm going to transfer everything to my blender. I'm blending both the guava leaf and the water that I used to boil the guava together with the onions. Okay, so after blending for just a few minutes, it is time to strain. Now while straining, I will encourage that you use a very tight sieve. That way you're not left with any particles. Okay, with this treatment you can say bye-bye to thinning hair. If your hair is falling excessively, this will also help to treat it. One thing that I want you to do for me is to use this consistently. If you're going to be trying it out, don't try it one time and say, oh, it didn't work. So this is what the juice looks like, and I'm going to be showing you how to use this for hair, so don't go nowhere. So now for easy application, I actually poured everything in my spray bottle. Depending on how you want to use this treatment, you can use a spray bottle or you can use any other container of your choice. So now to demonstrate how to use it, I'm going to be applying it on my hair, and this is me just showing you how it looks like on natural light. Okay, this is what it looks like outside on a natural light. Okay, so the first method to use this is to use it as a leave-in, and I know that you're wondering why. How do I use it as a leave-in? Because of the onion smell. I'm not going to lie to you and say that it doesn't smell like onion. It does, but then by the time you apply your leave-in cream and your oil, it will actually help to reduce the onion smell. And that is why, if you notice, I didn't use too much of onions. Okay, so yeah, that is the first way to use this treatment. Now the second way to use this treatment is to use it as a treatment, okay, where you apply it on your hair the way that I am applying it, and then you cover your hair for a few minutes, say 30 minutes or more than, and then you wash it off with either plain water or lukewarm water, depending on what you're going for. Okay, if you want to eradicate as much of the smell as possible, use lukewarm water. Okay, and then follow up with your moisturizing routine. That is, apply your leave-in cream, apply your butter or your oil to seal. Now the third way to use this treatment is to use it as a pre-poo treatment, where you apply it on your hair before you wash your hair. And this is great for people who would love to use this treatment, but they are skeptical about the onion smell. When you apply this as a pre-poo treatment, that means you're going to cover your hair and allow your hair to sit for, let's say, between 30 minutes to 1 hour, and then you follow up with your shampoo. You can shampoo your hair twice to completely eradicate the smell of this onion. Okay, all right, so now after you finish shampooing your hair, just follow up with your normal wash day routine. Okay, yeah, and that is the third way to use it. So a pro tip when using this treatment is to massage your scalp. Please don't skip massaging. Okay, as you're applying it on your hair, massage your scalp really well. Both the onions and the guava leaves are so excellent for hair, but then massaging it will actually help to enhance the benefit that you get from this. And now, after applying it and massaging my hair thoroughly, I went ahead and sealed everything with my oil. Okay, all right, so about storage, you can actually store this thing in your fridge for up to 5 to 7 days, and in your freezer for up to a month. Okay, and yeah, that is it about this video. Have you tried onion and guava leaves before on your hair? Would you be trying this treatment? If you would, please let me know in the comment section. All right, thank you guys so much. Please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to share this video to your loved ones or anyone that you know that is suffering from thinning hair and looking for a way to reduce shedding. Also, please subscribe to my channel if you're looking for a place where you will get content such as this. You are on the right place. So subscribe and stay tuned, and once you subscribe, hit the notification bell so that you're not going to miss any future upload. I love you guys so much. Thank you so much for stopping by to watch this video. Until I come your way next time, my name is Favor. Please take care of yourself and bye.